At Future Solar, every step forward is a step towards a cleaner tomorrow. 2025 marked a defining moment for Future Solar. Proudly listed in ALMM, setting new benchmarks in quality and trust. With 5 gigawatts of manufacturing strength, we scale to power India's future, backed by a pan-India warehousing network. Closer, faster, stronger. The journey continued beyond milestones. Throughout the year, Future Solar marked its presence across key industry events and exhibitions, engaging with innovators, partners, and leaders from across the renewable energy ecosystem. Each platform became an opportunity to share ideas, to showcase innovation, and to strengthen our voice in India's clean energy future. The year also brought recognition, awards and achievements that reflected our commitment to excellence, performance, and progress. And with every achievement came celebration, celebrating milestones reached, celebrating partnerships built, and celebrating the collective effort behind every success. It was a year of people, our dedicated teams, our visionary leaders, and our esteemed clientele who trust us to power their ambitions and drive sustainable growth. Each collaboration reinforced our commitment to delivering excellence and building relationships. Above all, earning the Great Place to Work certification reaffirmed our belief that true progress is powered by empowered teams. As we move forward, our purpose remains the same: to build cleaner energy.